Can I welcome today's announcement and the proposals for the relief that they potentially offer the 20% or so households in Wales that are off-grid, and indeed the 72% of households in my own constituency of Ceredigion Preseli. As the Minister will appreciate, households will be anxious to understand how much level of support they might stand to receive. And so can I ask him whether there was a per household level of payment in mind when the government came up with these calculations, and also for 3.8 million calculated for Wales. Can I ask, given that LPG households will be entitled to support, why was it that it was heating oil data that was used to calculate the allocation?
Thank you, Madam Deputy Speaker. 3.8 million has been allocated, as he said, to Wales. It will be for the Welsh Government to design the scheme that they will use to roll that out. That may be through existing schemes or it might be through something different, but that is obviously a decision for them. In all of this, our priority has been to work at speed. We did not want to leave people in a situation without any support, which is why we have come forward with this today, just a few weeks after the initial stages of this conflict in the Middle East, and that's our priority through this. We will obviously, as I said before, keep this under review, and will come forward if necessary with more proposals.